Are you liable for $618 million? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs. And if you're Qatar Airlines, the answer is yes. Airbus is liable for $618 million for a paint job. Well done or not well done will be the question of the court. Qatar filed in London against a French manufacturer for the delivery of airplanes to Qatar. Interesting jurisdictional questions here at stake. For $618 million for contractual compensation for Airbus for partial grounding of 21 jets who have an improper paint job, plus $4 million for each day where the planes are not flying. And also Qatar demanded the High Court in London not to attempt to deliver any more airplanes until and unless the paint issue is fixed. The complaints talk about some blistered paint, cracked window frames, or something around that. The new Airbus A350 is all on a composite material, and its airplanes are subject to lightning. On average, one plane is struck once a year by lightning. Airbus added a certain mesh around the body in order to prevent lightning to create deeper damage, and there seems to be the problem with the paint. This extra mesh of a copper mesh does not like the paint on top of it. So the complaint goes on that there is a 76 million for one airplane alone, which had to be repainted over and over again, especially in light of the 2022 World Cup, which Qatar is hosting later this year, and it was necessary. Qatar also argues that the local Qatari safety authority, which is governing airplanes, grounded the planes as well. Well, you may wonder whether a state-owned airline with a state-controlled safety board has the ability to ground some planes in order to create a damage. But of course, I would never think that this is a likely way how things are being done. But the legal takeaways I have right now are: one, why can you sue in London against a French manufacturer when the airplane is in a different part of the world? And number two, how can you prove damage of paint of airplanes which have been in service for many years? This 76 million claim for one airplane has been in service for 5 years. And as we all know, airplanes fly, airplanes get repainted, and airplanes get into ongoing service. So I'm curious about the outcome. And if you're a passenger, watch out for cracked paint.